Good morning, students. Welcome to the EVS class. Today's date is 18th November 2020. So, as you know, we are currently doing the lesson number 9, What Should I Eat? So, in our previous class, we have discussed that babies do not have teeth, so they eat liquid food. As they do not have teeth, as soon as the babies are born, they do not have teeth and they have to consume milk, especially milk. They drink milk many a times in a day and they'll eat liquid food. When they get teeth, they start to eat solid food. Now, as soon as their teeth comes out, they goes for the rice, roti, etc. Then we have 3 meals in a day. Now, remember, 3 meals in a day: breakfast in the morning, lunch in the afternoon, and dinner at night. So these are the 3 meals, the main meals of our in a day. Then let us come to the learning outcome of today's discussion. So after discussing discussing today's topic, you will be able to learn to be able to describe and categorize the types of food that we eat. So let's start with the discussion of our today's topic. So we know that we have different types of food. Now first we are going to study about cereals, grains, which are also called grains. Now as you can see, rice and wheat, these are called cereals. Why? And they are like plant type and they grow on the plant. So these are called cereals. Then we have the pulses. Which are pulses? Lentils, grams. Have you seen masoor dal? Our mama makes masoor dal, right? Or dal. Then we have the chana. Then these are some of the pulses. Then we have vegetables: spinach, carrots, brinjals. We have many lots more vegetables, but here only these 3 are mentioned. Then we have the fruits. Which are the fruits? Apple, grapes, bananas, oranges, mangoes. These are called fruits. Then we have the milk and milk products: curd, butter. The curd, from where we make the curd. Curd is made from milk. Butter is also made from milk. Cheese is also made from milk. And then we have the paneer, which is also made from milk. That's why they are called milk products. Then we have meat and eggs. So meat is it can be chicken, it can be mutton, it can be anything. Then we have the fishes also and the eggs. Now we are going to learn about cereals and pulses today. So as you can see on the screen, these are the cereals. These are called cereals: rice, wheat, maize, barley. Now rice, wheat, maize, barley, these are called cereals. Now from rice, have you wondered what we get from rice? We eat rice every day, right? So then we also make some during the festival of Bihu, we make some pithas. Then how many of you love to eat idli and dosa? These are also comes from they are also made from rice. Then we have the wheat. Wheat is, we used to eat roti, paratha, right? So these are from where does it comes? This atta, the wheat, it comes from wheat, this wheat plant, the cereal wheat. Then we have the maize. Now maize, so how many of you love popcorns? Most of you love to eat popcorns, right? So popcorn comes from maize. And when it is now the winter season is coming, and you can see in the corner of the Guwahati city that some lady or people are roasting the maize on some charcoal, and they used to people used to buy from them and eat that roasted maize. Then we have the barley as well. Now here you can see on my screen, so these are some of the products from the rice. We have biryani, we have pulao, we have some pithas and idli. So these are some of the things that are made from the rice. Then let us come to the pulses. Now what are the pulses? Pulses are these yellow moong dal. So these are the little things that you have to remember. Yellow moong dal, yellow chana dal, red lentils, that is called masoor dal, half moong khichdi, then urad dal, urad akha dal, urad dal, red beans, kabuli chana, green moong, tur dal, soya beans, mud beans. So these are called pulses. Now we all eat pulses, right? Whenever we eat rice, we need some dal. So our mother cooks dal for us, right? And we love to eat dal and rice. So this dal comes from the pulses and they fall into the category of pulses. Then we have the red beans. So what are red beans? Red beans are the rajma. Have you heard the rajma? Yes, then how many of you love to eat rajma? Everybody loves to eat rajma. So here is the picture of the rajma. So these are the pulses that these are the pulses. Then we have the chana, the kabuli chana. So we used to make chole from it, right? And then we have the ghugni. Ghugni is made from the matar, the peas, the right. So these are some of the things, the dal, rajma, chole, ghugni, these all comes from the pulses. We made it from the pulses. If we don't have the rice cereals and pulses, then we wouldn't able to have our food. Now from today's discussion, we have got some new words. These are grams, 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 lentils, 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 pulp, 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 then cereals, 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 then we have pulses, pulses, pulses. So these are some of the new words and try to remember the spellings. Now let us come to the homework, your homework from the EVS workbook. So this is your homework. Look at the question, which is question number 13. Look at the pictures given below. Color the picture of the mango with the yellow crayon and the picture of the apple with a red crayon. So remember, mango with a yellow crayon and apple with a red crayon. Then let us move towards the competency based question from my side. Now here is the picture. Now look at the picture and find out to which type of food does it belong to. Now this is a kind of dish prepared from a type of food. Now you have to find out to which category that food belongs to. So write the answer correctly. Then here we have this picture. Now what you have to do is you have to write answer the question. And the question is, to which type of food does it belongs to? So you have to first write the category of the food, whether it falls into the cereals or whether it falls into the pulses, and what is its name, and write the name of this particular thing. So these are your homeworks. Please do it. Then on the live class, we are going to discuss all the competency based questions, whatever I have given, we will be discussing it. Okay. So here I am going to end my class.